And welcome back, Mindsetters. I hope you had a nice little break and that you're now ready and you're good to go for the next session. Guys, make sure that you have your pens and pads out, as I always say. And yes, again, keep going on the page, chat to each other. If you see a mindset in trouble, help them out. Make sure you guys keep talking and keep the forum going. But on that note, this way I hand over to Natasha. Natasha, take it away.
All right, guys, so this is the last part of our section on 3D, and I know it is quite intense. I mean, you guys, the only way to do the section, as I said before, there's very little theory, lots and lots of practical stuff. Okay, so with that, I'm quickly going to go through question 3 and give you pointers on how to do it, because for one, we are running out of time, and also by this stage, I think you'll be able to handle this. All right, so they say in the diagram, AB is a straight line, and they've marked it there as 1,500. DC is a vertical tower, 158 meters high, with C, A, and B points in the same horizontal plane. And you can see that it's in gray to show that it's in a different horizontal plane to DCB and to DCA. The angles of elevation of D from A and B are 25 and theta. Okay, so that's also marked. And they tell you that angle CAB is 30 degrees. All right. Okay, so firstly, these are in different planes. Please do not make the mistake of thinking of ABD as one flat triangle. That's the worst thing you could possibly do in this kind of question. All right, so the first question says, find the length of AC. And guys, as I said, I'm going to go through it quite quickly. Just have a look at the diagram. They want you to find this side AC. And you see that it's a side that links triangle ADC to triangle CAB. So AC is obviously an important side because it links two different triangles. So looking in triangle ADC, it's actually quite simple to work outside AC because we've got a 90-degree angle and we've got that angle DAC is 25. So therefore, since I've got the opposite side, DC is 158, and I'm looking for the adjacent side, I can set this out as tan of 25 is equal to opposite over adjacent, and then simply cross multiply and you'd work out that AC is 338,83. Okay, so the first one is relatively simple. They then ask us to find the value of theta, and this one's a little bit more complicated. So we've now worked outside AC and we got a value of 338 and some odd. All right, you want to find theta. Now, because of the way it's positioned, it's actually difficult to get to theta immediately. The first thing you have to do is work out BC, right? Once you've got BC, which is a linking side into triangle DCB, then you can use the 90 degree again and tan of theta to help you to work out theta. So the first thing you've got to do is to work out BC. All right, and using the cos rule, okay, why would we use the cos rule? Well, we've got side AC, we've got side AB, so and I've got the angle A included, so therefore I can use the cos rule, and you will see that BC is 1,218,4 meters. Okay, so this is via the cos rule, and as I said, I'm not going through each of these in detail because by now you sort of have an idea of what to use and when to use it. So you find BC using the cos rule. Once you've got BC, you're now in triangle DCB, and you can say tan of theta, remember theta is what we're looking for, is opposite, which is 158, over adjacent, which is BC, which is 1218. And you'll work out that theta has a value of 7,4 degrees. Okay, once you've got theta, that will help you to work out. Okay, well, we don't really need theta for the next question, but we do need it for the last one. They then ask us to work out the area of triangle ABC. Well, that's easy peasy. We've got two sides. We've got AB. We've worked out AC. So therefore, we can use the area rule in triangle ABC. And we'll work out that the area using a half of side AC times side AB sine of angle 30. So that's just really your area rule. You'll get an answer of 127,061 meters squared. Okay, that will be your area for triangle ABC, 127,061 meters squared. All right. Then the last part says calculate the size of angle ADB. So have a look at angle ADB. It's going across two different planes, all right? Worst thing you can do right now, see this is a flat triangle and work across the planes. That would be wrong. You've got to work in each individual triangle, so in triangle ADC, and then in triangle DCB. Using your 90-degree and using the fact that you've got those other two little angles, you'll work out these little portions D1 and D2 off angle ADC by using angles in a triangle. And you'll get this little part of 65 degrees. That's just really using angles of a triangle, guys. And that's 82,6 degrees. If you add them together, you'll get that angle ADB is, so 65 plus 82,6, this will give you 147,6. All right, so as I said, I just gave you pointers on how to do that question because we've really built up the whole lesson around helping you to get to this part by yourself. So hopefully with those little pointers and with that diagram, you'll be able to get all of those sides and angles that they require of you. All right, guys, so once again, just a reminder, 3D trig, always work in the triangle with the most information and then look for joining sides. Okay, your joining sides are very, very important. And good luck with 3D trig. Over to you.
Okay, so mindsetters, woo! That was quite a session. But I hope you guys, although it was intense, that you guys had fun and you guys followed through and you enjoyed the session and everything made sense. That is the whole point. As long as it all made sense, that is the important thing. So mindset is yes. Again, I am still looking for the person I need to give this Casio calculator to and this awesome labeler. And I just want to say, mindsetters, keep using the page. Talk to each other. That's why the forum is there. It's for you guys to share ideas and information. And then I want to send a quick shout out to Liberty. Thank you for sponsoring today's show. And this is where I, Ty, then say bye to you guys and see you next time. Cheers.